If you're looking to customize fonts and colors in AdCreative AI, you're in the right place. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to make your ads stand out by adjusting fonts and colors, giving you more control over your creative process. Whether you're new to the platform or just trying to take your ad design to the next level, this video will guide you step by step. Stick around because I'll also share a special offer at the end that you won't want to miss. First off, AdCreative AI allows you to easily tweak your fonts and colors, making it a great tool for anyone serious about creating high-performing ads. If you're new to the software, you'll be happy to know that it's designed with simplicity in mind, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects without getting bogged down by technical details. It offers plenty of customization options, including how you can adjust your fonts and colors for maximum impact. To start customizing your fonts, simply head over to the design section where you can see your current ad layout. You'll notice that AdCreative AI gives you a selection of fonts to choose from. You can change the font style for the headline, subheadlines, and body text. You can either select one of their preset options, or if you have a specific brand font in mind, you can upload your own custom font. The ability to upload your own font is a game changer for ensuring brand consistency across all your ads. Now, when it comes to colors, AdCreative AI makes it simple to adjust the palette to match your brand's identity. Whether you're looking to use complementary colors or bold, contrasting hues, the software offers a variety of color schemes. You can choose specific colors from their predefined sets or pick your own custom colors. Plus, you can use the color picker to get the exact shade you need, which is perfect if you want to match your company's branding perfectly. One feature I really love about AdCreative AI is how the platform allows you to preview changes in real time. So as you adjust your font size or change the colors, you get to see exactly how your ad will look. This live preview feature helps you make quicker decisions, ensuring that your design fits your vision before you move forward. You can also adjust the spacing and alignment of text elements to ensure everything looks perfectly balanced. AdCreative AI's user-friendly interface makes it easy to tweak text positioning and make your message more readable and impactful. In fact, these small adjustments often make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your ad. Don't forget about the power of color psychology. You can test different color combinations to see which ones get the best response from your audience. Colors like red and yellow can create a sense of urgency, while blue and green tend to convey trust and calmness. Experimenting with colors in AdCreative AI allows you to tap into these psychological triggers, making your ads more effective. As we wrap up, remember that customizing fonts and colors in AdCreative AI is an incredibly powerful tool to enhance your ad performance. The platform makes it simple but effective, giving you the freedom to create ads that resonate with your audience. Now, if you're ready to give AdCreative AI a try, you can use it completely for free through the first link in the description. And as a bonus, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. So don't miss out. Click that link below and start creating stunning ads today.